YouTube. Hopefully my tailgate are open. Ah, shucks. I'll explain what I'm attempting to do here shortly. I am in a industrial area. They're I'm assuming building now, but it's the perfect place to have the drone track me. So I'm gonna set this up because I had to clean my window, and then hopefully we'll get a good video. So stand by. It's gonna be a nightmare trying to sync everything up. I'm just gonna try and sync it one more time just to make sure. We're starting the rear. Okay. This should be fun. Let me start my vehicle. Now, I just got to draw a line around my truck. Active track. Unable to switch. Okay. Okay, guys, let's see if this works. It is pretty warm out here in Florida today. I see a truck coming by here. Hopefully he don't bother us. Some workers. Okay, they're going the other way, but should I go this way? I think, okay. This way I know for sure, but I'm keeping an eye on the drone. I see he's following me. And I could push it a little or is it following me? No, hold up, guys. It's not following me. I said active track, it's just in spotlight. What the heck? Let's try this again. Let me stop. And focus track enable. Okay. Now active track.
Subject starts moving. Aircraft will fly to set direction.
Okay. I want it to come a little closer though. There we go. Now let's try this. And it is coming or following us, so I think I'll come out here again with another drone one day, hopefully this week, because like I said, this is a perfect place. You'll see as we're just gonna make a right up here and go do a loop, but this is the perfect place for this. And I could kind of like push it a little if I, oh shucks, hold on. They got this area closed off. There's a yellow line up there or tape, so we'll go this way. Probably illegal, but okay. Now we'll do the right. And the baby is going, and I'll get it in front of me also, but like I said, I could push it now a little. Make sure, yep, still follow me. I'm currently going about 17 miles per hour. As you can see, this is going to be an industrial area. It's a huge warehouse or whatever it is over on my left. So we're just going to go up here, and I'm going to have it come to the side, my left side. So let's see what happens here. Just got to keep an eye on how far it is over there. And I don't like that it's doing well, but let's bring it in just a little. Because there's some poles, light poles. No power line out here. I think everything's underground. And I want to, I know this is I'm going to keep going. We're going to keep going, guys. And now there's some trees over here, so I'm going to bring it just a little to the... Maybe I'll get it back. Hold on here. I'm not taking any chances here, so let's get it back to behind me. It's going kind of high for some reason. As you can see, we're coming close to this tree. Hopefully it'll get back behind me. I don't take too many risks like that, so. But yeah, this is gonna be a perfect area. I'll definitely bring my motorcycle down here and have it track me again. It took me about, what am I going? Oh, I'm going like 25, guys. 25 mile. I don't know if the camera can see my speedometer.
Battery level is
Oh,
low.
shucks.
Aircraft will return to the home
No,
point in
cancel.
10 seconds.
No, stop,
Return
stop.
to home.
Oh, well, I gotta stop this. Hold up, guys. Even if I have to make it land, I can't have it go to the home point. Dang. We'll put another battery in there. Let's bring it up to me. We'll put another battery in there. I should have updated my home point. Okay, we're gonna land this and get another battery.
Landing.
Fun so far, fun so far. But it was going back to my original home point. Woo, this is fun. Oh, what I'm...
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
Yeah. Let me turn this off. All right, let's put another battery in here. And I'll keep the Neo because I was going to use the Mini 5, but again, I can bring another drone down here one day. This is a perfect place. I'm just swapping batteries. Let's get this back in the air. The sinking may be off. But you'll get the idea of what I'm doing. This time I'll have it in front of me. Make sure it's on. And it is. I'm just waiting to connect. Come on, connect. Thank you. Should have satellites already. Shouldn't have to wait, and I do.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
There we go. This time we'll go in front, about right there or so. I'll go up just a little more. I'm recording. Let's do focus track. Okay. Okay. And I put my seatbelt on. So we'll just go up here. Is it going? It's not for some reason. Let's start this again. Let me go backwards. It's not moving for some reason. Did it go? Let's see. Nope, it's not moving. Hold on, guys. Hit stop. Let's try focus track again. Hold on. Let me take it back. I think it got to be a certain distance, maybe. Let me stop here. Active track. I don't get the, let's try it now. Still, it's like it's in spotlight mode. And I'm not doing a screen recording. I should, but let's get up just a little higher. I'm hitting the active track, but it's not going. Come on, guy. Let's cancel this. Get out of that. Oh, I understand what I'm doing. I don't have it selected as the front. So that's why it wasn't moving. Now we're going to come down just a little. And that's a little too far back. We come down. It was operator's error. Okay. So I'm going to do a little 3-point turn. Judge me on my driving. That's 1. Turn the wheel all the way back to my right. That's 2. Now hopefully the drone will get in front of me. I don't see it. I'll look on my monitor here. It's on the side kind of like, and now it's coming to the front. All right, there we go. I see it now. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it over just the wrong way to the center, kind of like. There we go. A little more. There we go. Yes, I like this. And I know going backwards is it's a little different. I won't do this. Or tracking me from the front. I won't do this. Let's go back to the back here. And it's kind of like waiting for an opportunity to get behind me. Stop flying, buddy. Hold up, guys. That's a little too close for me. Because it was going directly in that tree. And I'll show I'll show you the 360 camera, but it was going directly in that tree, and there's water over there, and that's a no-no. Woo! I will not take a risk like that. All right, let's get out of here. And again, I got to keep an eye on the 59%, because it'll fly back to the takeoff point. I see there's vehicles in there. I want to just I wanted to go in this parking lot, but I won't risk it. I don't want to mess up a good thing. And when there's a vehicle coming in front of me, it's on the opposite side, so. And again, I'm going 19 miles per hour now. Hopefully we can get back to the Hope that's not the site supervisor. He's gonna give me a chase. I should buy a like a vest and a hard hat. And he's turning around. He didn't want to go to where I was. So, well, still follow me. I don't know why I'm putting my signal on. There's no one out here really.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Cancel. And I got to keep it up here, guys. I don't want it to return to the home point. Yeah, I should have had the mini drone. I would have had a lot more battery time. But we're going to park back here. And I'm going to get all of my equipment. That guy is following me, so hopefully he don't come over here starting anything. But hey, it is what it is. I got my video. I got my video. No, he's not. He's going somewhere else. Let's land this thing here. Let me stop. And I'll stop recording. Come on, baby. All right, guys. I just got to get my Insta360 camera down and store all of my gear. And, hey, buddy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make sure this is stopped now. Where's the power button? See my setup here. Hopefully I can figure out this syncing and stuff, and shucks. All right, how did I get up here without falling? There we go. Woo, that was fun. Fun. Just sit that back there. I'm gonna get out here and then go to another area where I can secure my gear, because there's too many vehicles coming in here now. And then the next time I come here, I will come kind of early, I guess. But anyway, I'll see you later, guys.